What's up everybody and welcome to another video. My name is Ross McFarlane coming to you from Agency 3980, and in this video what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how you can make $100 a day using native ads using the traffic source Adsterra. So as you can see, I've got the computer here right here in front of me, so what we're going to do is we're going to dive straight in. So let's go. So as you can see here, that's us in one of the agency accounts, and I know you guys love seeing results. So as you can see, we've just started running traffic again and we are starting to get some stable conversions in. And as you can see, obviously we've just started running traffic on the 9th of October, which is Saturday, and we're going to be continuing to do these videos and showing you how you can continue to make money with native ads. So now what we need to do is we need to go and establish how we need to go about making $100 a day using ClickBank, using Adsterra. So there's three main things that we need when creating a native ads campaign. We need the right offer, of course, we need the right funnel, we need the right lander in place, and we need the right traffic source. So how do we go about finding all of these different things? So what we'll do is we'll head back over to ClickBank again, and what we'll do is, in fact, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to actually refresh this page because I know how people get all this, how people get, I don't know why everyone gets a hard on over this, but yeah, I'm going to refresh this page anyway. So you can see these results are genuine. This is one of our agency accounts. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to the marketplace. So when looking for the right offer, okay, now there's three main verticals that absolutely kill it on native ads, internet marketing in general, but there's three main verticals that absolutely kill it in native ads. It's health, wealth, relationships. So health is obviously neutral. Everybody wants to be more healthy. Everybody's want to fight a chronic disease. Wealth, everybody wants to make more money. No matter how much money they have, they always want to make more money. And health, wealth, and relationships. Of course, dating. Everybody wants to find love because everybody's looking for that lovely partner to have in their life where they can find love. So that is the three main verticals within the internet marketing world that are the most competitive, and they do convert the highest. So if you were on ClickBank and you're going to find the right offer, if you want to go ahead and you want to find some make money online, some crypto, some finance, some lead gen, that type of offers, you would be going over to business and investing. You take a look, find the right offer. Most of these offers are going to be like VSL offers, which is why ClickBank does have good offers, because they do a lot of VSLs, which means the VSLs do a lot of the pre-selling for you, so no need to come up with huge advertorials and lots of edits when you're doing your lander. If you want to go for the Nutra niche, of course, one of the most favourite within internet marketing space, Nutra is obviously health and fitness. So you head over to health and fitness, take a look, find your offer, and then what you would do is you would just start promoting your offer. Again, most of these are going to be VSLs, which is a video sales letter. The video sales letter is doing all the pre-selling for you. So with a landing page, you just need a simple lander, one click-through lander, get that landing click-through rate, can't talk today, that lander click-through rate as high as possible. Simple bridge page, a little bit of body copy, and just get them right through to the offer. And again, if you want to go for dating, it would be within self-help. You'd find all your dating offers within there. So now that we've found it, now that you know how to go ahead and find an offer, you know which niches and which verticals to run in, next thing that we need to do is we need to go ahead and we need to start building up the funnel. So of course, if you're going to build out your right funnel, what you need is you need the right lander. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to our landing page builder, which is Landerize, and Landerize is within the Debris platform. It's got all your needs if you're running an affiliate marketing business. It's got everything that you need. If you do want to find out more about that, I will leave that in the link in the description below. So what we do is we'd head over to landing page templates, and like I said, we're going to be running a VSL, we're going to be running ClickBank offers, so most of them are going to be VSLs. So what you want to run is what I'll do is I'll use the filter. So if you're running different traffic sources, the Debris and Landerize is for you. These are all the different traffic sources that we run. So we're going to be running native. And what I'll do is I'll just leave it at native just now. So what we've got is we've got simple VSL lander. So what you would do is you would just head on here and we'll just call this test one. And what you do is you would take the offer, that you're going to be using, and from that you would reverse engineer everything on that offer, take the angles from that offer, and then change that everything here. So obviously you would advertising, obviously you need that for compliance. You can maybe change this about, maybe you're running a health offer, you want to change this to maybe like a doctor type of image or something like that. Maybe put this to like a say you're running like a health offer, it could be like a weight loss breakthrough or something like that. And then again, change the image, change the body copy, change the headline copy to suit your offer, and then you would just quickly go ahead and change your body copy to suit your offer. Try and make it as congruent as possible, because that's going to increase your conversion rates when it comes to actually setting up your campaign. So another one that you could use, another type style landing page that you can use is this type. I quite like this type, to be honest. So we'll call this test 2. So with these ones, what you're going to find is these are one-click VSL landers. So these ones here, as you can see, this is like a different layout, got a little bit more body copy, a little bit less of an aggressive headline, more smaller image. But I would say it's like a better layout, especially for desktop, running desktop traffic. I would say it's probably a better layout. We use both, it just depends. This could be something for a split test, but you would just have to do exactly the same as just change up the body copy, change your image to suit your offer, and that would be that for your one-click VSL. Now, if you were not running a VSL, and you were running something that was just over to a direct sales page, what you would need is you would need a lot of pre-selling. So you would need to pre-sell your offer. So how would you do that? What you would do that is then you would use an advertorial. So what we'd do is we'd take like an advertorial type lander. So here we go here. We could do this here. Let's do test 3. Test 3. So you would do this here. This is like an advertorial type lander. I'll move me up the way here so you can properly see. This is like an advertorial type lander. So this is specifically talking to a Nutra. This is specifically talking to a Nutra angle. So what you would do is you would just go ahead and change whatever you had to change over your images, change over your copy, whatever you had to do to go and suit your offer. So we've got ones that are pre-built for you. So we've got pre-built ones for like finance, like make money online, pre-built ones from Nutra, all these different types of landers that you can use. Now, taking all that into consideration, I'll just give you an overview of these 3. Move me back over. So taking this into consideration is what you have to take into consideration is when you're driving traffic on native ads, one click-through landers like this one and this one here. So we've got this one here, test 1 and test 2. These ones are going to have higher click-through rates, lower conversion rates, okay? Now, when I say lower conversion rates, it doesn't mean lower profits. It just means that the conversion rate is probably going to be sitting about 1%, even probably 2%. On an optimized funnel, obviously each and every single campaign is going to be completely different, but you're going to notice a lot higher click-through rate on these. Anything above 20-25% is pretty decent, but we'll want to be aiming for above that 35%. This would come more along the lines of when it comes to optimizing your funnel. So what I would do is when you're coming up with good creatives, coming up with good headlines, all these different types of things, when you've got your best images, your best headlines, what you can then do is you can then make the flow more congruent, you can then change up the images and change up the headlines on these 2 landers. So your whole funnel is all making sense and it's all congruent throughout the entire flow. Advertorial style type landers, depending on which geo that you're running in, it would depend on the CTR of these, the landing page CTR on these, but the conversion rates would be higher. You'd be looking at tier 1, you're probably looking at click-through rates of, I mean, if you're getting 5 to 8%, that'd be absolutely awesome. Tier 2 geos, you'd be looking at a higher click-through rate. Each geo is dependent. Depends on what type of traffic you're running. It could be desktop, could be mobile. Just depends. It will fluctuate. It will vary from geo to geo. It does just depend. But I mean, even like I've even seen in tier 1 like running at 2% on these. But then the conversion rates on these advertorials, because they're such a good pre-sell. Like if people are actually taking the time to read through the advertorial, they're actually going through the advertorial, they're actually being pre-sold, they're going from cold traffic to warm traffic to red hot buyers. By the time they get to the bottom of the advertorial, what they're then doing is they're actually sold, they're a red hot buyer. So that's why the conversion rates are higher. So what you have to bear in mind is it's all equals out. So if you're running like a VSL type offer, then what you're doing is you're getting a high click-through rate, lower conversion rate. Then with the advertorial type, you're getting high conversion rate, lower click-through rate. So when you look at your actual metrics and profits, they're probably working out roughly about the same, because the metrics match. They all mean something, so they all match. Cool, so now that we've found the right offer, we've found the right lander, now that you need to do to go and make $100 a day with native using ClickBank is what you need to do is you need to find the right traffic source. Okay, now you can use any traffic source, but what you want to do is when you're looking through direct traffic sources, especially, what you'd want to do is you'd head over to the traffic source and you want to make sure that they've got the right type of traffic for you. So how would you go and do that? You would find advertisers, because that's what you're going to be doing, advertising, buying traffic. We want to make sure that they've got the right verticals for us, okay? So what we do is we see here, it's got the top verticals, but this is more, they have different types of traffic that they offer, and I want to get specific. So I want to go native, I want to read more, check out more info, and I want to see what type of offers and verticals that's there most. So here we go here, resistor verticals, which verticals are bound to succeed with native advertising. Cool, so as we can see here, their top verticals with native advertising, as they've got finance and crypto, which is wealth, health and wellness, Nutra, of course, Nutra, and they have got dating. So as we can see here, Adsterra has all these three main verticals running for this traffic source. So that is giving us a telltale sign that we can go ahead and run traffic in this with our offer on this traffic source. So that is there. So what we've done is we've found the right offer, found the right funnel, used the right lander, and we've found the right traffic source. Now you can go ahead and use any traffic source that you like. I'm just using Adsterra for this one in this example. What you can do is you can go onto each and every single different traffic source, Outbrain, Taboola, Rev Content, MGID, all these different types of ones, and check out whether you're on direct or whether you're using a demand side platform, which I will keep for another video. But basically, that's what we've went away and done for you to go ahead and start making $100 a day on ClickBank using Adsterra. You'd have to go ahead, find the right offer, which we've went away and done, create the right funnel, which I've showed you how to do, and then use the right traffic source.
Now, just before you go, I just want to share this unique and huge opportunity for you if you're interested in native ads and you want to scale your business to the next level by using native ads. Now, what you can go ahead and do is take this unique opportunity and book in a free strategy call with myself or anyone from the agency. Will pick up the call. You just click the link in the description below, you fill in a little form, and that will take you through to your free strategy call. And on the call, we can assess your business, see where you're at, and how we can help you take you to the next level and profitability with native advertising. So if you want to go ahead and do that, make sure I click the link in the description below, and hopefully I'll be chatting to you very soon.